Woohoo! Maxine's Corner, you've done it again. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, we will be making some delicious gluten-free muffin, and we're going to top it off with some cashew frosting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free, and hit the bell so you can get your notifications. In my bowl, I have 1.5 cups of gluten-free flour, and to that I will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Just gonna mix everything together very well. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free, great recipes and wonderful tips as well. And this gluten-free flour already has xanthan gum inside of it. So once everything is well combined, we're gonna set this to the side and start on with our wet ingredients. Okay, my healthy people, so if you don't have one of these, it's not a big deal. You can use your handheld mixer. That's perfectly fine. 1/2 cups of earth balanced butter, monk fruit sweetener. So I'm going to cream those two together. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of yogurt. I'm going to alternate 1 cup of milk and add in my flour. So let's go. I'm adding in my flour, and that's just 1 cup of milk. I have 1 flax egg that I'm going to add to this. And then I will be adding another 1/2 cup of milk. Alright, and that's it. So we have 1.5 cups of milk. Everything for this recipe will be in the description box, guys. Don't worry about it. Okay, my healthy people, so I attempted to make this into a red velvet cupcake by adding some vegan food coloring, but apparently my vegan food coloring didn't work as well as I thought it would, so let's just move on. Okay, my healthy people, so we are pretty much done as far as the mixing is concerned. Okay, my healthy people, so this should give us about 12. I'm just going to spray these to get them. This is optional. You don't have to do it. Just like that. I'm going to continue to do this until I'm finished, then I'll be right back. Okay, my healthy people, so here we have our 12 cupcakes. I'm going to put this in the oven right now, 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. And then we will be making our cashew frosting. Okay, my healthy people, so I'll be making the cashew frosting. I have 1 cup of cashew that I soaked overnight, or you can also put in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Blend this up. And what you do is you periodically stop and scrape it down. Okay, my healthy people, so this is my cashews that I blended together. It looks so good. And I also have some coconut milk that was in the refrigerator. And I'm just going to scoop off the cream. And then I'm going to save the water to make smoothie. I scraped off the top, and then I'm going to keep the water to make smoothie. So I'm going to pour the water in a jar right now. And add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla to that. Cream this together. Just like that. Looks like here. Perfect. This is perfect, okay, for cupcakes. And then I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator until our cupcakes are all finished baking. Okay, my healthy people, so our cupcakes are all finished. They are out of the oven, and now I'm just gonna remove them to a cooling rack. So here we have 12 cupcakes. They were supposed to be red velvet, but I don't see any red yet. So we're just gonna call them delicious vanilla cupcakes, okay? And I am just going to put my, oh, they're so soft. Look at this. Oh. So now I'm just gonna put my frosting on it. Nothing crazy, just add your frosting. I'm gonna frost all of these and then I'll be right back. Okay, my healthy people, so I am going to add some sprinkles on these cupcakes right here. I just want to take this one. I'm just gonna take a little bite. These are so delicious. You have to make them for the entire family. So soft, so moist. We have our delicious cashew frosting, and we added some sprinkles. They're perfect for after school, as a snack, and for the entire family. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. Hit the bell for your notifications and say it with me. You know what it is. Stay healthy.